For today's topic, I'm just going to answer the question that's been coming up regularly with my patients at work, and so I wanted to share the answer with you guys as well. So the question is, as the title suggests, does the Waterpik replace flossing? Sorry, that was my dog. I let her out. So the answer to the question is no, it does not replace flossing. The best way I can explain the reason for this is just drawing out a simple analogy for you that I share with my patients. So imagine a toilet. Hopefully that won't be too difficult. Everybody knows what a toilet looks like. And imagine if you don't clean it for a long time, you get this rim of pink or orange slimy stuff around the edges of the water there. And no matter how many times you flush your toilet, that pink slimy stuff is not gonna come off. The only way to get it off is if you physically, manually wipe it off with either a sponge or some sort of a brush, because it's a very resilient layer of biofilm that doesn't get removed with simple water pressure. So the exact same thing applies to our teeth. The Waterpik might help flush things out that are just floating around in between our teeth, but anything that's actually stuck to the teeth is not going to get removed with the little water pressure, which is why so often I get patients who come in and say, oh, I don't floss, but I use a Waterpik, and I look at their teeth, and in between their teeth, they are well on their way to periodontal disease, unfortunately. So if you are planning to use a Waterpik, remember, it is not in lieu of flossing. Think of it as in addition to flossing. If you guys have any additional questions, feel free to comment below. So yeah, thanks for watching, you guys. Please subscribe to my channel and share with your friends. Take care of your teeth.